Lump in the throat sensation reduced, coughing and clearing her throat less. That's because Sally had an overgrowth of yeast inside her esophagus, causing her reflux issues. Now, if you have a yeast problem, then it could be causing your acid reflux as well. The most obvious signs of yeast are that you have fungal issues on the outside of your body, like fungal toenails, fungal fingernails, athlete's foot, dandruff, thrush. If you don't know and you're unsure, head to myacidrefluxquiz.com, fill out that short quiz. It'll tell you what's most likely causing your issue so you can get to the root like Sally and feel normal again.